Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to make a text box word. First, open the Word file. When doing so, from the Insert menu, click on Text Box and select the Simple Text Box option. After that, enter the desired text in the text box. Adjust the dimension of the box as you consider necessary. Now select the text box. In the Shape Format menu, display the shape outline options, and in dashes you can choose what style of border to use. Again from Shape Outline, now in Weight, choose the width that the text box will have. You can move this text box to the location you want within the document. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.